Becoming a hair braider is easier than ever before. Following these 10 easy steps on how to do natural hair braiding as an eco-friendly chemical-free hairstyling business. Have personal and professional hygiene as a natural hair braider. Wash or use hand sanitizer before doing your service on your hair braiding client. Use a neck strip for skin protection on your hair braiding client. Use a stylist cape on your hair braiding client and a hair braider apron for professional attire safety. Do a proper scalp analysis and consultation on your hair braiding client. Refuse service on your hair braiding client due to bacteria, fungus, parasites, scalp sores, and viruses. Use proper personal protective equipment like a face mask and finger guards before serving your client. Never use penetrating chemicals like hair straightening shampoos on your hair braiding client. Never impersonate a state-licensed cosmetologist or barber. Join Eco Hair Braiders registered today and put your name on the Hair Braiders community map.